Meet Jason, our marketer. He's got a big meeting with executives and needs a competitive snapshot fast. Normally, that means digging through old decks and hoping someone has the latest win-loss data. Today, he just asked Slackbot. In seconds, it pulls fresh market insights from the web, surfaces the latest competitive intel living in files and conversations in Slack, and taps Salesforce win-loss data, all unified through Data 360. He walks into that meeting with a complete current picture. No digging, no waiting, no tab switching. Because he's checking this weekly, Slackbot suggests converting this task into a skill, a reusable set of instructions for repeatable tasks. Now, Slackbot automatically delivers his competitive report every week, ensuring he never has to ask again. Now, that competitive intel report surfaces something critical. A competitor just launched a feature still on Jason's roadmap, an insight that used to take weeks to surface, now instant. He needs to move fast. Product needs to evaluate timing, sales needs to know how to counter, so he uses Slackbot to book time with both teams right then, right there. No calendar hunting, no back and forth, all done right here in Slack. After the meeting, Jason asks Slackbot to draft an executive presentation for leadership, pulling in the competitive insights, the action items from the meeting, and the latest Salesforce data all in one shot. Now, Slackbot doesn't just generate a wall of text, it produces a polished, branded deck, formatted to your corporate template, ready to present in seconds. Jason reviews, refines, and sends without ever leaving Slack. This is where most AI tools fall short. They can summarize, they can draft, but they live outside your workflow. Another tab, another login, another tool. Slackbot is already right there where your work happens.